Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word: magnanimous. Spelling: magnanimous. Meaning: noble in mind, high-souled, generous in overlooking injury or insult, rising above pettiness or meanness. Synonyms: generous, kind, noble. Antonyms: petty, mean, vindictive. Usage: the magnanimous ruler forgave his enemies and offered them amnesty. Her magnanimous gesture of donating to charity inspired others to follow suit. Word: malediction. Spelling: malediction. Meaning: a spoken curse intending harm or ill will upon someone, condemnation or curse-like speech. Synonyms: curse, imprecation, anathema. Antonyms: benediction, blessing, approval. Usage: the priest uttered a malediction against the heretics. The politician's malediction against his opponent was seen as a low point in the campaign. Word: malevolent. Spelling: malevolent. Meaning: having or showing a desire to cause harm to others, malicious. Synonyms: malicious, hostile, vindictive. Antonyms: benevolent, kind, compassionate. Usage: the malevolent spirit haunted the old mansion. His malevolent intentions were clear from the way he manipulated others. Word: manifold. Spelling: manifold. Meaning: having many and various forms, features, parts, etc., multifarious. Synonyms: varied, diverse, multifaceted. Antonyms: singular, uniform, limited. Usage: the manifold duties of a manager include planning, organizing, and controlling. The city's manifold cultural attractions make it a popular tourist destination. Word: maudlin. Spelling: maudlin. Meaning: excessively sentimental or emotional, mawkish. Synonyms: sentimental, mawkish, sappy. Antonyms: stoic, unemotional, detached. Usage: the maudlin ending of the movie left many viewers feeling manipulated. Her maudlin behavior at the funeral was seen as insincere by some. Word: maverick. Spelling: maverick. Meaning: an independent individual who does not go along with a group or party. Synonyms: nonconformist, rebel, dissenter. Antonyms: conformist, follower. Usage: he was known as a maverick in the political world for his unconventional views. The maverick scientist challenged the established theories in her field. Word: mawkish. Spelling: mawkish. Meaning: excessively sentimental or emotional in a way that is embarrassing or unpleasant. Synonyms: sentimental, maudlin, sappy. Antonyms: unsentimental, stoic. Usage: the mawkish ending of the movie made many viewers cringe. Her mawkish behavior at the funeral was seen as inappropriate. Word: maxim. Spelling: maxim. Meaning: a short saying expressing a general truth or principle. Synonyms: proverb, adage, aphorism. Antonyms: falsehood, misconception. Usage: the maxim "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" emphasizes the importance of healthy eating. He lived by the maxim "honesty is the best policy." Word: meager. Spelling: meager. Meaning: small or insufficient in amount or degree. Synonyms: scanty, sparse, inadequate. Antonyms: abundant, plentiful. Usage: the meager rations were barely enough to sustain the soldiers. The meager soil made it difficult to grow crops. Word: medley. Spelling: medley. Meaning: a mixture of different things, especially a musical composition made up of parts from various works. Synonyms: mixture, assortment, hodgepodge. Antonyms: uniformity, homogeneity. Usage: the medley of songs from different decades was a highlight of the concert. The garden was a medley of flowers, trees, and shrubs. Word: mendacious. Spelling: mendacious. Meaning: dishonest or deceitful. Synonyms: deceptive, dishonest, false. Antonyms: honest, truthful, sincere. Usage: the politician was accused of making mendacious claims about his opponent. The company's mendacious advertising practices led to a lawsuit. Word, mercurial. Spelling, mercurial. Meaning, changeable, volatile, or unpredictable. Synonyms, fickle, unpredictable, capricious. Antonyms, constant, steady, stable. Usage. Her mercurial temperament made it difficult to predict her mood. The mercurial nature of the stock market can be intimidating for investors. Word, meritorious. Spelling, meritorious. Meaning, deserving praise or reward. Synonyms, praiseworthy, admirable, exemplary. Antonyms, unworthy, undeserving, unmeritorious. Usage. The student received a scholarship for her meritorious academic achievements. The employee was recognized for his meritorious service to the company. Word, metamorphosis. Spelling, metamorphosis. Meaning, a change in form, structure, or substance. Synonyms, transformation, change, conversion. Antonyms, stability, constancy, permanence. Usage. The caterpillar undergoes a metamorphosis to become a butterfly. The company underwent a metamorphosis after the new CEO took over. Word, modicum. Spelling, modicum. Meaning, a small amount or degree. Synonyms, small, moderate, limited. Antonyms, large, excessive, abundant. Usage. A modicum of patience is required to learn a new skill. The recipe requires a modicum of sugar to balance the flavors. Word, modulate. Spelling, modulate. Meaning, to regulate, adjust, or adapt to the proper degree, to vary the pitch, intensity, etc. of the voice, often specifically to a lower degree. Synonyms, adjust, balance, vary. Antonyms. Usage. She modulated her voice to soothe the crying baby. The musician modulated the key to fit the mood of the song. Word, mollify. Spelling, mollify. Meaning, to soothe the temper of, pacify, appease, to lessen, as in intensity, assuage. Synonyms, tranquilize, smooth, relieve. Antonyms. Usage. His apology mollified her anger. The calming music mollified the tense atmosphere. Word, morass. Spelling, morass. Meaning, a tract of low, soft, watery ground, bog, marsh, swamp, something that hinders, engulfs, or overwhelms. Synonyms, web, tangle, snarl. Antonyms. Usage. The hikers struggled through the morass in the forest. The complex legal case became a morass of details. Word, mores. Spelling, mores. Meaning, the customs, values, and behaviors that are typical of a particular society, place, or time. Synonyms, customs, traditions, norms. Antonyms. Usage. The mores of the community emphasized respect for elders. The changing mores of society led to a shift in public opinion. Word, morose. Spelling, morose. Meaning, having a sullen and unfriendly disposition, having a tendency to be gloomy and depressed. Synonyms, sullen, gloomy, depressed. Antonyms, cheerful, optimistic, happy. Usage. He became morose after losing his job. The morose weather matched her mood perfectly. Word, munificence. Spelling, munificence. Meaning, the quality of being very generous. Synonyms, generosity, liberality, bountifulness. Antonyms, miserliness, stinginess. Usage. The philanthropist's munificence was celebrated by the community. The university benefited greatly from the donor's munificence. Word, mutable. Spelling, mutable. Meaning, liable to change. Synonyms, changeable, variable, unstable. Antonyms, immutable, unchangeable, stable. Usage. The weather in spring is mutable and unpredictable. Human emotions are mutable and can shift quickly. Word, nascent. Spelling, nascent. Meaning, newly formed or just starting to exist. Synonyms, emerging, developing, budding. Antonyms, mature, established, fully formed. Usage. The nascent company is still in its early stages. The scientists studied the nascent stars in the distant galaxy. Word: nebulous. Spelling: nebulous. Meaning: cloudy, misty, or hazy, unclear or vague. Synonyms: cloudy, misty, hazy. Antonyms: clear, distinct, well-defined. Usage: the nebulous fog made it difficult to see the road. The concept was nebulous and needed further clarification. Word: nefarious. Spelling: nefarious. Meaning: extremely wicked or villainous. Synonyms: wicked, villainous, heinous. Antonyms: good, honest, virtuous. Usage: the nefarious plot was uncovered by the detective. The company's nefarious practices were exposed in the media. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.